guys, in this video I'll teach you how to blur a specific part of a video in CapCut. So start by adding your main video to the track by clicking the blue button here, and this is going to act as your main video. And now you can either right click copy and click paste again, or you can simply take and drag down the video from up here and make it act as a layer. So now the next step is to go up to effects here in the top left corner, go video effects, click lens, and now go down to blur. And now a mistake a lot of people make is simply click plus like this, and then the blur effect will apply to both videos. But I'm just going to go back here, and now I'm going to take the blur effect and drag it onto the video. So you want to add it to the top video, not this one. So click here and drop it. And now we have the blur effect. And you can even adjust the timeline. So if you don't need to blur out the entire video, let's say it's a document or something you're showing that you want to blur out the details of, you can adjust it. And now you can also adjust how intense the blur should be. Let's say I want it to be like this. And now from here, we only want to blur out the bird. So in this case, click away from it, just click anywhere here. And now click on the video again. The next step is to go up here, click video, then go to mask and click rectangle. And now we have a little square with the blur effect on. So now you can just adjust it. You can make it smaller if it's some text you want to blur out. Or you can make it bigger like this. Or you can even do the opposite here. If it's something a round object, you have a few different options here. I'm just going to stick to the rectangle as I think that looks better. Like this. And now you can just adjust it as you wish to. And when I click, I'm just going to mute these videos, they're a bit loud. When I go back here and click play, you can see that it's been blurred out successfully.